Hey, what's up? Good morning. I'm getting ready to have breakfast. Something very simple. This is hot dog. We had this before. And then fried egg that I've put on top of those shrimp pancakes that we had the other day. On the bottom of this, by the way, that is squash that is grated and it's mixed with rice flour and egg. And then it's pan fried. But since it's breakfast, you add a fried egg to everything. It's crunchy. I love the texture of that. So, after I'm done eating breakfast, Ava, the lady who helped me make the lumpia yesterday, she's going to show me the local market. So, let me hurry up and eat so we can get on the road. So we are headed to the open market. It's called Palenque, but on the way we're gonna stop at church. And literally there's the house, and we are already not even 20 feet from the house, and here's the church right over here. That's how close it is. We're gonna go around and check it out. The Archdiocese Church, where the bishop and the chancery is for San Fernando. Diocese Church in San Fernando, Pampanga. So this is private property, and they wanted to see my ID, but I told them I just wanted to take a picture because you're not allowed to go inside. This is only for all the priests that live here. And they also have a little chapel there behind me. So quick stop. Ava's taking me to the market. We're gonna go check it out today, see what fresh veggies we can find. We passed the market because there's another church here right across the street from the City Hall of San Fernando. There is the church right here. This is also called the Metropolitan Cathedral of San Fernando. Pampanga. Fruit stand. We're checking out, what is this? How do you call this? Okay.
Maybe you.
Alright, we're gonna try this. It's like a spongy texture. It's not too sweet. It's interesting. At the City Market Plaza, do some shopping.
You meet fish and go with the ada may lipas for Madam Doctor.
Sister-in-law, nice to meet you. Hi. Walk through there with all the food, and then here starts the groceries. Drumsticks, baby guavas. Look at the green jackfruit. Okra. Yeah. Yams. Chinga, gourd, daikon. Here, come on. This is banana flour. Guys, this is making fresh coconut milk right here. Selling coconut milk. Got the coconuts that I'm making. Alright.
How much? 50 pesos. 50 pesos.
50 pesos for fresh coconut milk. Oils. More veggies. They're also selling the lumpia wrapper. At Kimmy's Corner for a quick snack. We're gonna try something. Got all these things on a stick. Caramelized bananas. But I'm curious about this. This is a quail egg. It's battered and fried, and it's on a stick. This is called kwek kwek. We're also gonna try this. This is pork liver. She's reheating it up by frying it. This is what we're having. This is fried caramelized plantain. The kwek kwek, which is quail egg. The pork liver skewer. And that is the lumpia. I'm gonna start backwards with dessert first. It's soft and chewy inside. And outside it's crunchy. It's very yummy. This is called a kwek kwek. It's got a very simple batter on it. Of course, it's food coloring. That's why it's orange. But it's just a boiled quail egg inside on a skewer.
Ah, the liver.
This is the liver. How do you call this in Tagalog?
Atay.
Atay. This is atay. We're gonna try the atay. The seasoning on there is very garlicky and peppery.
It's good.
It's good. I like this. So I was very curious about this lumpia. This is a Shanghai lumpia, but they call it dynamite lumpia. Dynamite, as in a bomb, because it's spicy in there. As you see this, that's the wick, which is actually a chili. And they gave me some of this brown sauce with vinegar and chili in it. Let's try it together. That sauce is very good. I still haven't come to the main attraction of the lumpia, because that was just the wrapper part. As you can see, it's just only a chili with a wrapper. There's nothing else in there. But it's still really good. I like the texture. The chili inside has become soft, and the wrapper's crunchy, and the sauce is like sweet and a little tangy as well. Dynamite. Oh, the smell here is intoxicating. This is the pusit that we had, remember, on the street, grilled? So all the dried fish. My suitcase would totally be violated if I were to take all this back. The smell. Woo! Smells like socks. In a locker room on a hot summer day. This is where all the dried fish is at. I'm on a hunt for cilantro. Or they say coriander. I see greens, but not what I need. All right, we'll come for the rice. This is the grocery store. Ava and her cute little shopping cart. This is like the biscuit aisle. Man, they got all kinds. Wall to wall to wall. They got all these flavors of instant ramen. Drink aisle. They got all kinds of drinks. Well, these are usual bottles, you know, liters. But they got packs of like Tang with different flavor. Pamela. I don't know what that is. More drinks. And drinks. Aisles. And rows filled with all these scents. And you can buy shampoo in small little pouches like this. It's so convenient. Meat, breast.
Yeah, it's all fresh. Fresh chicken.
Fresh chicken.
Yeah. Magkano yung bang Ha? Ito, may good, ha?
Those are some prawns.
Alive. Ilan?
Squid. It's still alive. Market. You got pork. And of course pork. Found the beef. Where's the beef? Fresh mango. Condensed milk. All going in a blender. Cream comes in a box. Adding cream to this. It's thick. Rip. We got Asian pear, banana, apple, and grape going into our mango custard right here. I shouldn't call it custard, it's more like a mousse. Alright, and we're just going to mix it up. And we're going to let it set. Halfway, I put a little bit of garlic in there. Finished doing some cooking. Now we're going to go to a department store called SM. And then look, that's Ava sitting there. But I'm sitting backwards because that's the driver right there. And that's just a mirror. Interesting. They have autos in the Philippines. Look at that. Going into SM. Of course, there's security. KFC. They got desserts. Ooh, that actually looks good. Red Ribbon. Of course, is Jollibee. Dairy Queen. Hey, they got Watson's. Coffee. And there's SM Supermarket. Alright, I'm just done cooking, guys. I'm gonna show you what I prepared here in Pampanga for the new friends that I've made here. Everybody's here, come for dinner.
Hello.
Say hi. Yes. And Ms. Rose is getting her nails done. So let's show you what we're having. Starting with our appetizers, we have a curried prawn. Then we have a beef and boiled egg stuffed potato chop. Underneath here is flatbread with butter. This is called began bharta, which is roasted eggplant and tomatoes with garlic. This is a raita, which is a yogurt salad. This is coconut pilaf with basmati rice. This is a curried cauliflower with peas. This is called pepper steaks, which is beef and potato. And then we have cabbage fry. And this is a mixed salad. All right, this is dinner tonight. Thank you. Enjoy. I'm trying my own food.
Human size, not the, because we have the folding. Pero ang gusto nila yung may, yung complete parts ng,
You can really tell the difference between fresh and frozen.
Kaya.
Mm-hmm.
Ibang klase. We're all saying it's a different type of cooking,
Mm-hmm.
and they like it.
Good.
I ate a lot of this.
Yes, fresh salad. Mm-hmm.
And then
I ate lots
Andy
of
was
that.
also saying,
It's just a lot of vinegar. Vinegar, a little bit of sugar, black pepper, and the salad. And you have to let it marinate a little bit because the carrots and the daikon and the onions have to absorb that. So you make it earlier on and give it about, 3-4 hours. It tastes
Wow.
good. Well, I'm glad everybody's enjoying it. But don't fill up because there is dessert.
oh yeah.
We have
I'll
two
get-
desserts.
I got
This one is a
teaspoon.
coffee foam
Ang yaman niya
with
na.
vanilla ice cream. And then this one is a mango and fresh fruit custard. Okay, it's got fresh mango in there. It's got bananas, apples, pears, and mango, and grapes. So I was just explaining, because you're very curious to know how these dishes came about. And because obviously you've eaten at Indian restaurants before, and my style of cooking has Indian influence in it. However, we're still Anglo-Indian, which is a subculture in India. If y'all didn't know, I'll explain that on another video. But the dishes that I cook tonight, it stems from a lot of other dishes. Like, for example, the beef steak. When the British came to India, they didn't have all the ingredients that they would use back home to cook their dishes. So it had to evolve into something else, because the people that were actually cooking the food were not British cooks. They were Indian cooks when the war was going on. So, with whatever ingredients they had that was local, they would make it happen. So then the other thing that the little chops, the beef and egg chops, it's kind of a play if you think about it on a shepherd's pie. It's got mashed potatoes, it's got ground beef, and it's got a crust on it, but obviously they're formed into like little cakes, and then it's pan fried, just like a aloo tikki, which is very Indian. So these are like little comparisons where dishes from the British evolved into Anglo-Indian food.